Fly stitch. As the name suggests, fly stitch has two wings. You basically make a stitch with the shape of the letter V. I named these 3 points for easy demonstration as A, B, and C. Thread your needle and make a knot at the end. Start with point A coming through back of the fabric. Go back down through point B while making a small loop like this. Now come up at point C and over the loop we just made. Pull the needle towards you in a downward angle to form the letter V. To secure the formed shape, make a short stitch by going back down through the fabric, including the created loop. This is how it looks, fly stitch. Now let's practice with an imaginary letter V. Come at either left or right point of the letter V. Make a loop by going back down at a point parallel to it. Come through at the middle point of your imaginary letter V and above the created loop. Pull the needle towards you in a downward angle. To keep the V shape, make a small stitch including the loop by going back through the fabric. You can also make a letter Y by adding a small tail to the fly stitch. First 2 steps are similar. Come up at one point. Go back down to form a loop. Come up through the middle and over the loop. Pull the needle towards you to make a V shape. Now instead of making a short stitch to secure the V shape, make a longer stitch to form a letter Y by going down through the fabric, including the created loop. Fly stitch is commonly used in filling the space of leaves. The only difference is you first need to make a small stitch before starting your regular fly stitch. Like this. It's the same V shape over and over again after that. Start from either side of the leaf, come up from one side, go back down from the other side to make a loop. Come up at the middle and over the loop. Pull the needle towards you. Make a short stitch by going back down to secure the V shape. Repeat the same steps until you fill the space. Like everything else, practice will make you better with time. Keep practicing.